Here's another cute card that really reminds me of fall, but you could also use it as a template for a masculine card. I love this wood grain paper that we have. It's called the Country Woods Designer Series paper. And I'm using it here with a stamp set called Loveliest Tree. And I love that you can just use black ink with it and make a really, really pretty card. So the layout here is really simple, and then I'm letting that wood grain paper really take forefront there. It just gives it a really nice background. And then I just only use the black ink for the image and the sentiment. I did use some of the matching crumb cake ink to stamp on some of those accented leaves. I just thought it kind of added. But I really like this checkered ribbon here. It just really is perfect for the color scheme of this card. So I'm just adding a bow on there. I left the whole way of me tying that bow so that you could see. I get so many questions asking how I tie bows, so I wanted you to be able to watch that there. So we're just going to layer this up, and then we will put on the image and the sentiment, and the card will be finished. Now, I will have a list of everything I used to make this card on my website. You can go to madetocreatewithlisa.com and I'll have it all on there for you, as well as direct links to everything. It's a really easy way to find everything. I really like these gems too. They're metallic gold and copper and silver. They're perfect for this. So thanks for being here. I hope you enjoy this card. You can check it out on my website, and I will talk to you again soon.